Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English for Everyone podcast. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Joey. We are so happy to have you with us today. Today, we are going to explore the world of modern living. We want to talk about how we navigate our social lives, our careers, and our personal growth.
That's right. And today, we're talking about a trend that has taken the world by storm in 2026, the side hustle.
Oh, the side hustle, Rachel. It seems like everyone I know has one. My barista is a graphic designer at night. My accountant is a yoga instructor on the weekends. I feel like I'm the only one sticking to a 9 to 5.
Sticking to a 9 to 5. That's a common way to describe a traditional full-time job. But a side hustle is a way to supplement your income while pursuing a passion project.
Supplementing your income. That means adding extra money to what you already earn. But it sounds exhausting, Rachel. When do these people sleep?
It's all about time management, Joey. But first, you have to find your niche.
A niche, that's a specialized segment of the market, right? Like instead of just dog walking, I do high energy running for huskies.
Exactly. The more specific you are, the more you can charge. In the gig economy, your specialty is your strength.
The gig economy, that's the labor market characterized by short-term contracts or freelance work rather than permanent jobs. It's very flexible, but it can be unpredictable.
Unpredictable. That means you don't always know when your next paycheck is coming. To succeed, you need to market yourself.
Marketing yourself. That sounds like I have to be a salesman. I'm shy, Rachel. I don't want to brag about my skills.
It's not bragging if it's true, Joey. You need a portfolio. Whether you're a writer, a coder, or a handyman, people need to see your track record.
A track record. That's a summary of my past achievements and performance. Once I have that, where do I find clients?
You can use freelance platforms or you can network on social media, but you have to be wary of lowball offers.
Be wary. That means to be cautious or watch out. And a lowball offer is when someone tries to pay you much less than you are worth, right?
Precisely. Don't underestimate your value. If you lowball yourself, you'll end up burnt out.
Burnt out. That's when you are physically or mentally exhausted from working too hard. I've been there, done that, Rachel.
We all have. Another important part of the side hustle is scalability.
Scalability. That's a big word. Does it mean the ability to grow the business without increasing the costs too much?
You hit the nail on the head. If you can only earn money when you are physically working, your income is limited. But if you create a digital product like an ebook or a course, you can earn money while you sleep.
Passive income. That's the holy grail of side hustles.
The Holy Grail. That's an idiom for something that is extremely difficult to find, but that everyone wants.
So, Rachel, what about the legal side? If I start making money on the side, do I have to tell the government?
Yes, Joey, you have to pay your taxes. In 2026, most gig workers are considered independent contractors. You should keep a paper trail of all your earnings and expenses.
A paper trail. That means records or documentation of my financial transactions. I should probably hire an accountant then. Okay, Rachel, let's talk about the biggest hurdle. How do I know when my side hustle is ready to become my main hustle? Should I just quit my job tomorrow?
Definitely not tomorrow, Joey. Don't jump the gun. You need to look at your revenue and your burn rate.
Revenue is the total money coming in, and burn rate is how much I spend to stay alive every month, right?
Exactly. A good rule of thumb is to wait until your side hustle is consistently making as much or more than your full-time salary for at least 6 months.
Wow, so I need a safety net before I take the plunge.
Taking the plunge means to take a big risk or make a major commitment. It's scary, but it can be incredibly rewarding.
Rewarding. That means giving a sense of satisfaction. I love the idea of being my own boss.
It is liberating. But remember, when you are self-employed, you are the CEO, the marketing department, and the janitor all at once.
I'm the janitor too. I guess I have to wear many hats.
Wear many hats. That's a perfect idiom for having many different responsibilities. Well, Joey, I think we've clocked in enough hours on this topic.
We totally did. I'm going to go brainstorm some ideas for my husky running business. Let's review our entrepreneurial vocabulary.
Vocabulary review. 1. Taken the world by storm. Idiom. Meaning to be extremely successful or popular very quickly in many places. Example. The new smartphone app has taken the world by storm, reaching 1 million users in its first week. 2. Supplement your income. Phrase. Meaning to add extra money to your regular earnings. Example. He works as an Uber driver on the weekends to supplement his teaching job. 3. Gig economy. Noun phrase. Meaning a labor market characterized by the prevalence of short-term contracts or freelance work as opposed to permanent jobs. Example. Many young people in 2026 prefer the flexibility of the gig economy over traditional office work. 4. Track record. Noun phrase. Meaning all the past achievements or failures of a person or organization that show how well they have done something. Example. The company has an excellent track record of delivering projects on time and under budget. 5. Be wary. Verb phrase. Meaning to be cautious or watch out because you think something might be dangerous or wrong. Example. You should be wary of emails asking for your password or bank details. 6. Burnt out. Adjective or idiom. Meaning extremely tired, sick, or depressed because of working too hard for a long time. Example. After working 80 hours a week for 3 months, she felt completely burnt out. 7. Scalability. Noun. Meaning the capacity to be changed in size or scale, the ability of a business to grow without being hindered by its structure or available resources. Example. A digital course has great scalability because you only have to record it once to sell it to thousands of people. 8. Holy Grail. Idiom. Meaning something that is extremely difficult to find but that everyone wants. Example. For many scientists, finding a clean and infinite source of energy is the Holy Grail. 9. Paper trail. Noun phrase. Meaning records or documentation of your financial transactions. Example. The investigators followed the paper trail to find out who was responsible for the fraud. 10. Jump the gun. Idiom. Meaning to do something too soon, before the right time. Example. We shouldn't jump the gun and hire new staff before the contract is officially signed. 11. Take the plunge. Idiom. Meaning to decide to do something important or risky after thinking about it for a long time. Example. They finally decided to take the plunge and buy a house together. 12. Wear many hats. Idiom. Meaning to have many different roles or responsibilities in a job or organization. Example. In a small startup, everyone has to wear many hats from customer service to product design. Use this bridge to explore the world. We are always here to help you.
Don't forget to check our community tab. We have a poll waiting for you.
Until next time, keep practicing and stay positive.
Bye bye.